Imagine being the first millionaire in your family. You could change not just your life, but the lives of everyone around you. But where do you start? Most of us didn't grow up in wealthy families. Our parents worried about every bill, every expense, and there was hardly ever any money left at the end of the month. You've probably heard it all before. Money doesn't grow on trees, or money isn't everything. These sayings are common in households across the country. However, your story can be different. You have the opportunity to break this cycle and set a new standard of success for your family. Now, let's talk about something important: being cautious. When searching for ways to build wealth, you might come across online influencers promising quick fixes to make you rich. Be careful. Many of these self-proclaimed gurus are more interested in selling their courses than helping you succeed. They suggest that becoming wealthy is quick and easy if you just buy what they're selling. Remember, real wealth isn't built overnight. It's easy to get swept up in promises of fast money, but true financial growth comes from making smart, steady investments over time, not from shortcuts. By understanding these two fundamental truths, overcoming inherited financial struggles, and avoiding quick fix traps, you're already on a better path to becoming the first millionaire in your family. Let's dive into the real work of building wealth. It's all about consistency and smart planning. Did you know that most millionaires share a simple secret? They say that the key to their wealth wasn't a lottery win or a big inheritance. It was regular, steady investments over many years. Think of it like planting a tree. You start with a small seed, water it, and give it time to grow. Your investments are just like that seed. By putting even a small amount of money into your savings or investment account regularly, you're setting the stage for future growth through the power of compounding interest. This might sound a bit complex, but it's just about how your money can make more money over time. Starting small is actually a strength, not a setback. You don't need a lot of money to begin building your wealth. What's important is that you start. Whether it's $5, $20, or $50, each amount contributes to your larger goal. Set a target, like saving $50 to $100 each week. It might sound challenging at first, especially if you're stretching every dollar. But remember, the journey to $1 million begins with a single dollar. By making regular saving a habit, you learn the ropes of investing without putting too much at risk right away. This is about playing the long game, where patience and persistence pay off. By focusing on these principles of wealth building and starting with manageable goals, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial success. Remember, it's not about having a lot of money to start with, but about being smart with the money you do have. Managing your money wisely is key to building your fortune. Take a good look at your daily expenses. Where can you cut back? It's all about prioritizing your financial future over immediate gratification. For example, consider what you spend on things that might not be necessary, like frequent takeout meals, subscription services you rarely use, or high-priced coffee every morning. These might seem like small amounts, but they add up quickly. Redirecting just a portion of this spending towards your investments can make a significant difference over time. It's not about making huge sacrifices, but about making smarter choices with the money you already have. Every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested towards growing your wealth. Time is another resource that many of us don't use to its full potential. Think about how many hours you spend each week on activities that don't add value to your life, like scrolling through social media, watching TV, or other passive activities. What if you could convert just a couple of those hours into something productive that could actually enhance your financial future? Starting a side hustle or learning a new skill can not only fill your time with valuable activities, but also potentially open up new streams of income. Even dedicating a small amount of time each week to improving your financial literacy or research and investment opportunities can have a profound impact. The idea is to start small and gradually increase the time you invest in your financial health, turning what used to be wasted time into a powerful tool for wealth creation. By focusing on reducing unnecessary expenditures and effectively utilizing your time, you're not just saving money, You're also investing in your future. These habits build discipline and pave the way towards financial independence and potentially making you the first millionaire in your family. In conclusion, becoming the first millionaire in your family is not just a dream. It's a very achievable goal if you start today and stay consistent. Remember, the key to building wealth is not found in chasing quick fixes or waiting for a windfall. It's built on the foundation of regular, disciplined investing, smart spending, and making the most of your time. Ask yourself each day, how can my actions today bring me closer to my financial goals? Whether it's setting aside a small part of your paycheck, reviewing your investments, or dedicating time to a new business idea, every step counts. Here's your call to action. Start now. Don't wait for the perfect time, because it never comes. Begin by saving a small amount regularly. Cut down on unnecessary expenses and reclaim your time from less productive activities. Set clear, achievable goals and work towards them every day. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and keep moving forward. You have the power to change your financial destiny and become a trailblazer in your family. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who might also benefit from these tips. Let's all move towards a wealthier, more secure future.